Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is U1CORE, UI UX design agency specializing in web experience and branding. Today we are diving into the topic how design can impact businesses of all sizes. Whenever you're launching your new company or scaling your app, your new product, this video will definitely be helpful for you in any stage. So let's get started. Let's start with why design is so critical in that competitive landscape. In the modern world, design is not just about the visual styling. It's always about clear business goals, about decreasing customer acquisition cost, about increasing conversions and other stuff. So just think about it. You will definitely not get back to design, to the website which is poorly designed, or to the app with so complicated user experience and not clear user flows. You're definitely thinking about these things even if you don't think about that. So design right now is not about beauty, it's always about business solution. And let's dive deeper into that part and discuss which key points can be the most valuable for your product or just for your website. Number 2, improves user experience. Next, design is the cornerstone of great user experience. A smooth, intuitive user journey keeps user engaged and coming back to your website. For example, in e-commerce websites, you will definitely not buy something if the process of buying will be long and complicated. So any designer, any agency trying to always optimize that steps, and even in our showcases, we made a deal with a couple of e-commerce projects where users just struggling with lots of steps just before the checkout and of course after the checkout. So we just decreased the whole flow of buying something just to the 3 steps. Add something to the cart, go to the checkout and use some data points and Apple Pay option, for example, just to buy it. So just 3 steps: cart, delivery, payment, and it's done. And after that actions, conversions just increased for 20% because finally we removed that pain and users became satisfied. So that's the biggest power of user experience, and you definitely should follow it in your web journey if you want to have conversions and satisfied users. Number 3, enhance brand identity. Your design is your brand voice. It tells you a story, conveys your values, and differentiates you from your competitors. So branding right now is not only about the logo, it's not about the colors, it's about your digital soul. And web design, product design, app design, it's always about highlighting your brand voice, about showing for users your digital portrait and convey them to become your friend. So definitely when we are working on UX, UI design stuff, we are always trying to understand the brand voice, the tone of voice between business and users, and come up with UX writing with small pieces of the text between the whole interface, with some slangs and of course with some visuals which stand out and highlighting your digital soul. So this is really big point about any design journey. Always should think about brand and your connection between users, between your customers, and just between your audience and your brand, because that's the goal. It's not just about business. If you wanna stand out, you should stand out. And good UI experience based on tone of voice and clear branding is always a great move to be sure that your brand will be special. Number 4, drives user loyalty. Consistency and attention to detail create memorable experience, leading to loyal users. For one of our SaaS clients, we just introduced features like dark mode, white mode, and just common customization of the interface. Some data points on dashboard to be sure that their clients, always exploring personalized data about their journey inside the app, and that's increased the, I can say, rate of retention for 15%. That's the key point. It's always to have personal touch with the user. It's not interesting to see insights. It's always interesting to see personal insights. And in modern society, we can have that data from any type of source like cookie, like AI, whatever. So you should always think about personal experience, and only in that way your users will be satisfied and your user will always get back because they know that that's something special created only for them. And by really clear and straightforward user experience and UI solution, it cannot be just valuable, it can even look beautiful. So that's the goal of any UI UX designer, and that's the 4th key point to understand why design matters for any business. And finally, number 5, increase conversions. It's absolutely clear. Nobody needs a design. Everybody needs a clear business results, decreased customer acquisition cost, increased retention, and of course, increased conversions. Finally, high quality design boost that conversions by using data-driven insights, by like A/B tastings, user interviews, and just usability testings. You can definitely come up with, I can say, insane results. For example, a small tweak in the button placement in the mobile app we made led to a 20% increase in signups. So just showing the same button but in a little bit different way, in a little bit different place, increased conversion in 12%. You can just think how lot money that project just gained by that small action, because any third user just becoming a paid user. So you can clearly count that number. And that's the main value of the design. It's not just about how things look, it's about how people using that, and they should use it for the best advantage for you, for your business. And good user experience can be only if it based on really real data, on the research, and finally on A/B and usability testings with your target audience. And after that insights can be used in any marketing and business purpose. So that's the main value of the design. Collect data, transform data, and come up with the solution which suits the best for the business. So that's it. These are just some of the ways high quality design impacts business growth. By focusing on trust, usability, branding, loyalty, and conversions, you can create a product or service that truly stand out. If you're a startup or an established business looking to elevate your design, we are here to help. What design impact resonates most with you? Let us know in comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay up to date. For more insights, check out our Instagram, where we've shared a quick post about this topic. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in next video. Cheers!